Hi guys! Tracy's in the background, like muttering on about something.
I'm trying to keep dry.
Trying to keep dry. Yeah, because it has not stopped today with the rain, has it?
Nope.
So, we're going to a waterfall now. We're still in Llanberis before we head off to... Where are we going?
Landed now?
Yeah, so we're going to go up the Orme because we're going to have an easier climb today because we obviously done Snowdon yesterday, so...
Please keep gentle on the knees.
Yeah, I mean, I think this might be a little bit of a climb to this waterfall, but I don't think it's very far. Well, I hope not. So we shall see you when we get there. Okay, we've just found the waterfall. We went all the way to the top, which we took a photo of, which wasn't the best view. And then we found this little sneaky entrance into it. Wow, it's amazing. Waterfall. There's Tracy. Say hi, Tracy! Hello. We found the waterfall!
It was weird getting wet, but...
Anyway, look, like loads of people have died here, like swimming in it, so if you come to Llanberis and find the waterfall, don't swim in it. I mean, it looks gorgeous and all that, but it must be pretty good to come. It's very powerful, isn't it? It's probably nothing else, actually. And we're so excited. Look, here. There's Tracy again, taking pictures of the waterfall. I'm so happy we found it because at least it's worth the fact that we are soaking. We're going to go back now to the hotel, but we've just checked out of because we've got toilets in there and we're going to try and dry off before we go to the Orme. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, it's not good, is it?
No. We didn't like the wet look, so we've gone for the soaking look. Soaking rat.
Oh,
But on a plus side.
okay, let me just show you what we're dealing with. It's proper chucking it down. It's misty. We can't see a thing. Okay, the plan was to walk down the mountain, Orme thing, but there's the tram that we should have got. Oh, it's getting blown away. So, right, Tracy's saving a backpack from the sheep poo.
Protecting my bag from the sheep poo because it's everywhere. It's foggy and misty. We can't see a thing, but we can see the sheep poo.
Oh, we got a long way to go, haven't we?
Yeah. We have a hell of a walk here.
And oh, we're cold.
Like,
Ooh, but we're laughing, aren't we?
we're having a ball. Embracing the elements
Standing on dinosaur fossils and stuff.
with a lager and lime.
So yeah, this is us right now.
last words can I say?
Today we are still in Llanberis now. So our plan to go to Bettyco is not happening. Why, Tracy?
Well, we decided to go live it up in Llanberis and we decided to rock and roll till 3. So that's 3 hours kip. So we just thought, yeah, let's just climb the Orme again, eh?
So basically, we're sweating a lot of alcohol out of us, aren't we, doing this walk again? Because we couldn't do the Orme yesterday anyway, could we, properly? So we're going to do that and embrace that today and hope that the cafe's open at the top, because we brought no supplies, have we?
Lager again.
We have a lager. I don't know how we're getting through that, like, but...
We were going to have one now, but I don't think it's John and Alice.
Oh yeah,
wouldn't
meet John and Alice.
John and Alice.
I can't show them John and Alice.
Place.
There we go.
John and Alice rocking
so
it literally.
Yeah, they got a rock too. It's cute. So we are, gonna crack on.
Gonna crack on and go and see some sheep.
So we'll all
I've seen sheep for like 6 hours. So I've missed them sheep. Yeah, let's go and get the sheep.
So we're just sheep. So we're just taking this walk, aren't we? That I haven't done before. So coming up the Orme a different way, and all the sheep have just been freshly shaved. There they are. Look at them munching away there. Oh, so cute. What's the 3 S's?
They've had a shit shower shave.
Yay! Right, so
yeah, so I wonder where to go for the shit shower shaves.
Where they go, like the
We're ready to party now.
yeah, like they go to the sheep barber.
They're waiting for the Venga bus. Or the chop lamb, the lamb chop bus. Is it lamb chop?
Can you see the lamb chop? Can you see the sea in the back? Yeah.
Oh, look at them. Should we let them get out the fence and free the lambs?
I don't think Farmer Giles
get arrested.
He'll be too happy.
No. Yeah, but we've freed the lambs, haven't we?
These do look different though.
They just don't look like lambs. They look more like a goat.
Yeah,
like a goat. Oh, look at it wagging its little tail. As if nobody had to own it on the poo.
You don't want to see that? Tracy's laughing at me. Right, we're on like cliff edges now, aren't we? Look, going down the Orme. Sun is cracking its flags. You would not believe it was the same. Like, well, you would not believe it was just a day after yesterday, after what we experienced, would you?
Nope.
No.
No.
So, any words of wisdom?
From me?
Yeah. Yeah, well, you're just toning off, aren't you? We should have been, as we said before, we should have been in Bettyco today, but I'm glad to count us on this. We'll do Bettyco as another day now. We're going to do Mill Family tomorrow. More hills. So it's exciting, isn't it? Oh, I just see if you can see it from there. Hi, Tracy! We're gonna have a... Oh, yeah.
Got a yummy, huge
chocolatey clear. And what are we having with it?
Beer.
Woohoo! How did you guess?
Time.
Woohoo! It's always beer time, especially in the sun. And you know it, bin the mask. If you're happy and you know it, bin the mask. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, bin the mask.